Have you ever wondered why the top temperature sensor brands produce flawless, high-precision sensors while others struggle with defects and inconsistencies? The answer is precision welding technology. That's why the world's largest temperature sensor manufacturers choose TATE. Our state-of-the-art resistance spot welding machine delivers exceptional weld quality, ensuring consistent resistance values, strong connections, and superior sensor performance. What makes TATE the best? Industry-leading precision. No overheating, no weak joints, just perfect welds every time. All-in-one welding solution. Handles PT100, NTC RTD, PT200, and PT1000 sensors with ease. Proven performance, trusted by top-tier sensor manufacturers worldwide, maximizes efficiency, minimizes waste, reduces defects, saving you time and money. Why settle for less? Sensor accuracy is crucial. TATE ensures the highest level of welding precision. Rework and scrap are costly. Our machine drastically reduces defect rates. The biggest names in the industry trust us, shouldn't you? Let's talk. Contact us today. Your competitors are already using TATE. It's time to level up. Tell WhatsApp +86 130 6265 7065 info@oktate.com.